Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this tablet. So to get started, pull down your notifications and expand it. And then here you should find a screen recording toggle, which for me it's right over here. So once you locate it, tap on it. The first time around it will ask you for permission to things like recording audio, photos, and media, so you can obviously record audio screen and have access to save it somewhere. For some reason it disappeared. Nope, it was recording for the entire time. Okay, that's interesting. Now we can hold it to access the settings. So in here I'm gonna switch from mic to apparently mute because we don't have option to record system sound for some odd reason. And video resolution is set to 480p. Do change that to 720. 480p is just atrocious to watch. So from here, let's go back to the toggle and tap on it once more. Have a countdown, and it's now recording. So anyway, I'm gonna just open up something, just mess around, and we can see the pop-up right here. And from there, you can stop it, tapping on it. And once you have done recording your screen, you can navigate to your gallery application and locate under the albums, video, and you can see it right over here. So there we go, that's the screen recording, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.